guys, welcome back to my channel, and today I have part 2 of my Black Friday haul, and I have two more items I'm still waiting on. I have Cyber Monday, or no, I just got Cyber Monday from Scribble Prints Co, but that's gonna be in a separate one because it was kind of like a mystery kit, so that'll be a separate video, which may go up before this one, I don't really know. And then still waiting on Clever Girl Crafts because I've never ordered from her. So I have Sticky Essentials, the Crafty Banana, RubyTREV. So got some good stuff here. This is the first time I have ordered from Sticky Essentials, and I should have opened all these. You know what? I may not open them all. I mean, who am I kidding? Ooh, Premium Matte. Oh yes, I'm obsessed with Premium Matte. The vibrant colors in Premium Matte, it makes me want to carry Premium Matte and like as my color or paper of choice. The only problem with Premium Matte is still it can be kind of porous, so that was Slytherin. We got Hufflepuff, sorry. I mean, look how cute these are. Again, everything I got was a mini kit. Like, they're just so bright. Like, the yellow is the devil to print. The devil. And that handles it like a champ. Then we have Ravenclaw. Like these blues. Yes. Come on, one more. Like, look how vibrant these are. I mean, I'm obsessed. And then I got 2 of these, because one I'll probably plan myself and then do a video on the other, so, and plus I like Gryffindor. So we have, again, the full boxes, and then we have sidebar, checklist, weekend banner icons, some functional things. Yes, girl, yes. All these half boxes, appointments, and flags. This page is perfection. And thank God she includes washi. A lot of mini kits don't include washi. Yes. So super happy how her mini kits are set up. So I'm gonna skip that one because I have that one. And, oh wait, am I an idiot? Did I pick this up? Didn't I pick this up in the Crafty Banana, not Crafty Banana, Nicole Alexia Designs? I think I did. Or was it, let me see. Sure did. Sure did. So maybe I'll plan in like my actual planner with this one and then do the Nicole Alexia Designs in a plan with me because it is so shiny with foil. Yeah, I'm an idiot. But I mean, they're set up different, so I'm not too mad about it, let's be real here. Cause it's cute, obviously, I liked it. And last but not least, I ordered a Christmas kit. Only one, because I've ordered quite a few. How cute are these colors? I need to like upload a plan with me like every day this week. So yeah, and I got 2 of those. Yeah, it happens, okay? It happens. All right, let's go on to the Crafty Banana. And I got her mini kits. Ah! Okay, got it. And I chose glossy. I think that's actually all she offers, now that I think about it. So I got 2 Christmas kits. Oh, I'm in trouble. We are already, see, this is what happens when you wait to film. Okay. So we have the Harry Potter one. We have this little freebie. And then we have the Harry Potter Christmas. Again, these are mini kits, so they are 3 pages. But you get quite a bit. Like, all her stuff is pretty packed in there. So super happy about that. got another Christmas kit because who doesn't love The Grinch Who Stole Christmas? I mean, come on. Let's be real here. Yes. So cute. Simple and cute and to the point, and you can bring in other things. And Wonder Woman, this is a badass kit. Like, this is probably this one and the flower kit may be the my favorite kit she's ever designed. So the Crafty banana, always great. Let me next. All right, RubyTREV. Oh, sorry, that has my address on it. Sorry. Whoa. I haven't even opened this. I have received a PR package from her before, but I purchased this myself, so no shade. A little note saying I hope you love it. Alrighty, so I ordered 3, like she does a la carte, so I ordered 3 things per kit. Because those are the things I would use. Words are hard right now. So these were the freebies, and I think this was the Black Friday freebie, like on the day I ordered. I think she did a couple different ones, and everything is in premium matte, and again, I just wanna pet it. So I'm in trouble, okay? We have too many Christmas kits. You're gonna see Christmas for the next, I think I'm literally gonna bust out a plan with me every day this week. Cause too many Christmas kits. Like, look at this perfection. Right? This is called White Christmas. So these are the pages that I would use in a kit. Functional, a lot of half or full boxes, and then the washi. So these are the sheets that I'm gonna use, and that's what I got in all of them. So I got this one, which this may be my favorite Christmas kit just because it's so fun. Like, how fun is this? It is just so great. I absolutely love this kit. Make me question my choice. But that glitter or that foil from Nicole Alexia is just speaking to me. And then we have Wild and Free, which I think this is still up in the shop. I don't think she has the Christmas ones up anymore, but look at this kit. Look how pretty this kit is. It makes me wanna do the premium matte, but premium matte's more expensive than glossy. So it's kind of like, well, you might as well just do glossy, because premium matte, you can't use every pen, just like glossy. So it's like, I don't know. So I got these 3 kits. These 3 kits, and let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 of these kits. Let me go this way. Yeah, all hope is lost. Yeah, did some damage, and you know what? That's okay. I am into planning, and it happens. It was Black Friday. So thank you guys so much for watching. Go ahead and give this video a thumbs up and subscribe, and I will catch you in the next one. Bye-bye.